We covered a lot with these cranial nerves. Let's go over a couple different strategies and ways to help you kind of remember what these nerves are and what their function is. Alright, the first of these ways to kind of help you guys to remember these different cranial nerves is a silly little picture that we can draw. And the way it works is we start out by drawing the number 1. Now we're going to be drawing a face here, so the 1 is going to represent the nose, which we know is our olfactory. Then we're going to go ahead and draw 2 eyes, because we know cranial nerve number 2 is our optic nerve. Then we're going to do 2 3s like this, some 4s, and some 6s. And these are to help us remember that cranial nerve 3, the oculomotor, cranial nerve 4, the trochlear, and cranial nerve 6, the abducens, are all having to deal with eye movement. Then we have cranial nerve 5, which is the trigeminal, which we know has to deal with our facial sensations. Now, since we're talking about the face, let's not forget about cranial nerve number 7, our facial nerve. Cranial nerve 8, which is our vestibular cochlear, we know would make great ears right here. And number 9, the glossopharyngeal, has an important role in our tongue and our pharynx, and so that makes an excellent addition right here. We can add the vagus nerve as it plays an important role in that swallowing and speech. And while we're here, let's not forget about number 12, which deals with the movement of the tongue. And then finally, we're just left with cranial nerve 11, which we know is dealing with the shoulder shrugging and the head turning. So as you can see, a silly little face that we draw here that really kind of helps us to remember which cranial nerves are dealing with what part.